Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Civils Academy. I am Rameshwari Holkar, Center Head at Excel Civils Academy in Hyderabad. Excel Civils Academy is one of the leading institutions in the Hyderabad where the all over national faculties are completing their syllabus and guiding to students along with getting the very positive results. So we are going to learn and solve multiple types of questions. Those are based on the river Godavari. I hope you already have revised the session where I have completed the origin of the river Godavari as well as its left bank tributary and right bank tributaries. All of these sessions are very important and very particularly important for the upcoming civil services examination as well as the state PCS examination. And if you are preparing for geography optional, then this session must go through. So let's solve these few MCQs based on this river Godavari. Please comment your answer in the comment box below. It will be very encouraging for me to understand whether how much you understood the concept of this river Godavari. The first question that we have, consider the following pairs. Hills and places to the one column and other column we have a river. The first Eastern Ghat paired with the river Indravati. That means river Indravati originates from the Eastern Ghat. River Bhima originates from the Sahyadri Hill. Vainaganga originates from the Mahadev Hills. Balaghat range, through this Balaghat range, river Manjara origin, and river Ajanta Hill range from where this river Purna originate. So these are the pairs has given. Which of the pair given above is correctly matched? The first option that you have, only 1, 2 and 4, that means this, thus and the fourth option pair. The second option that we have is only 1, 3 and 4. C option is only 2 and 5 and D option is all of the above. If you are unable to solve this question, then it is highly recommended for you to go through the previous sessions. All of these MCQs are very important and I have covered the entire Godavari river system. So if you are going through my sessions, believe me, you don't need to go through any other sessions because I have covered all the resources only for you. Second question that we have, consider the following pairs. National park on other side, one side, and river flowing through to this other side. The first is a Tadoba Andheri paired with the river Vainaganga. Then Papikonda National Park paired with the river Krishna and Pench Tiger Reserve paired with the Kanha or Kanhan River. So how many of the above statements are correct or these pairs are correct? Options are only 1, only 2, all 3 and none of the above. Please write down your answer in the comment box below. The third question that we have, consider the following rivers. Sabri, Indravati, Pranahita and Pennar. Which of the above are tributaries of the Godavari? This question seems to be easy at this moment, but during the examination you can get confused, so solve this today itself. Options are only 1, 2 and 3. Option B is only 2, 3 and 4. C only 1, 2 and 4 and D only 2 and 3. The fourth question that we have is, in which of the following regions of India are the shale gas resources found? This is previous year question. Kombe Basin, Kaveri Basin, Krishna Godavari Basin. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The first option is only 1 and 2, B only 3, C only 2 and 3 and D all of the above. This is a previous year question. Please comment your answer. Fifth question that we have, with reference to river Vainaganga, consider the following statements. Now this question is regarding the river Vainaganga. We have already completed the river Vainaganga, its origin, its tributaries, the ecological perspective of this Vainaganga as well. The first sentence, the source of river Vainaganga is in the Satpura hill range in the Maharashtra. Second question, Vainaganga and river Vardha together called as river Pranahita. The third, the Pench, Andheri and Vardha are Vainaganga's important tributaries. I have already taught you this Vainaganga river. Which of the statements given above are correct? A only 1 and 3, B only 2, C only 2 and 3 and D all of the above. This is about the river Vainaganga. Sixth question that we have, consider the following pairs: water reserves to the one side and river on which that water reserve are constructed to the other side. Nizam Sagar on the river Manjra, Polavaram on river Godavari, third, Jayakwadi on the river Purna. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? Option A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. And option D is all of the above. All of these questions are very interesting and very, very important. Seventh question that we have, consider the following rivers. River Vardha, Vainaganga and Narmada. Which of the above flows or flow originate in the Satpura mountain range? So if you want to solve this question, it is very, very necessary that you should have a clarity of all these tributaries. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve this. Option first, only 1. B, only 2 and 3. C, only 1 and 4. And D, all of the above. Now the next question that we have on the screen, the 8th question. With reference to river Pranahita, consider the following statements. Now this question is confined to the river Pranahita. Now this Pranahita river is left bank tributary of this river Godavari, which confluence of the Vainaganga, Painaganga as well as river Vardha, which confluence in the region of Maharashtra's Gadchiroli district, and then it creates a boundary between Maharashtra as well as Telangana. Now this Pranahita river is again very, very important. The first option that is given, Pranahita river is the largest tributary of the river Godavari. The second, Vainaganga and Vardha together called as the river Pranahita. Now third option or third sentence that we have, Pranahita drains out in the Bay of Bengal. So these are the three sentences as given. How many of the above statements are correct? Only 1, only 2, all the 3 and none of the above. This question is again very important. The 9th question that we have, it's very simple question. Godavari is an example of dendritic drainage pattern, trellis drainage pattern, rectangular drainage pattern and antecedent drainage. Now you have to learn about the drainage patterns. In the upcoming examination or upcoming series, we are going to complete these drainage patterns as well. But for the sake of time, you have to study the NCERT where it has written very well or explained it very well. The last question of this session that we have is, consider the following pairs. Again, there are pairs is given in the list 1 and list 2. River that originates from Sahyadri, the answer that they have given is river Pravara. The river that cuts a gorge in the Papikonda hill, the option or the pair they have given with the river Godavari. Then third is river that originate from the Balaghat. Now also tell me, where is this Balaghat mountain range is located and which river flows through this Balaghat? It is paired with the river Manjra. And then fourth option or the fourth pair that is given, the river that originates from the Dandakaranya and the paired with the river Indravati. Now you will see that I have completed or I have covered as much as possible rivers and their MCQs so that you don't need to study beyond that, right? Now, how many of the above statements are correct? Option 1, only 1, only 2, all of the 3 or none of the above. So all of these are questions are covering as much as possible information about the river Godavari. So that's it. By this session, we have completed the river Godavari, its origin, left and right bank tributaries, as well as multiple choice questions. I wish that you will solve all of these MCQs and you will write down the answer in the comment box below. That is really encouraging for me as well. Stay tuned. In the next session, we are going to complete the river Krishna. Thank you so much.